Hello, my name is Angie. I'm an AI avatar and explainer for Larhdel Law. I'm here to explain, is your business too small for an E2 visa? This is a question we hear all the time from investors and entrepreneurs, especially those starting small or buying modest businesses. The short answer is this: there is no official minimum size for an E2 business, but there are expectations that your business must meet. Let's talk about what really matters. Many people assume that if a business is small, new, or not yet profitable, it cannot qualify for an E2 visa. That is not true. The E2 visa was designed specifically for entrepreneurs, including those starting or acquiring small and medium-sized businesses. What immigration officers focus on is not how big the business is today, but what the business can realistically become. When reviewing an E2 application, officers are asking one core question: is this business capable of doing more than just supporting the investor? In other words, does the business have real economic potential? A business may be considered too small if it appears that it only generates enough income for the investor. It has no realistic plan to grow. It has no intention or ability to hire U.S. workers. It looks more like self-employment than a real enterprise. This is often referred to as a marginality concern. A smaller business can still qualify for an E2 visa if it shows a credible business plan, clear plans for growth over time, a realistic path to hiring employees, evidence that the business is actively operating, financial projections that make sense for the industry. Many successful E2 cases start small, but show a clear roadmap for expansion. Officers understand that businesses do not become large overnight, but they do expect to see forward momentum. One common mistake is presenting the business as a lifestyle choice rather than a growing enterprise. Another mistake is failing to explain how the business will evolve beyond the first year. A small business without a clear growth strategy may appear static, and that can raise red flags. This is why documentation, planning, and presentation matter just as much as the size of the business itself. The same business can be approved or refused depending on how it is structured and explained. A well-prepared application shows why the business makes sense, how it fits the investor's background, how it will grow, and how it contributes to the U.S. economy. Without that context, even a good business can look too small on paper. So, is your business too small for an E2 visa? Not necessarily. But if the business is designed only to support you, with no growth vision, no staffing plan, and no clear future, then size becomes a problem. The goal is not to be big, the goal is to be viable, scalable, and real. If you are considering an E2 visa and want to know whether your business qualifies or how to position it correctly, we recommend speaking with an immigration attorney before applying. You can call us in the UK on 01708 20 6161 or in the US on 310-943-6352. You can also visit LardhelLaw.com to learn more and book a consultation. At Larhdel Law, we help investors turn viable businesses into approvable E2 cases.